Racing. What a View begins in his usual brisk fashion, has the early lead from Smoky Image, Pee Wee Reese and Grazen Sky. So they'll settle down in order, inside to outside post. What a View from Smoky Image, Pee Wee Reese and Grazen Sky dropping back 5 lengths away and angling over to the rail. On the swing out of the home stretch, Smoky Image getting the wanders out to about the 5 path. And this allows What a View, who hugs the fence, to kick away and lead by almost 3 lengths. Smoky Image second, now moving closer to him again, followed by Pee Wee Reese. He seems to have relaxed pretty well third, and a gap of 7 lengths to the other Alexander runner, Grazen Sky. Less than 5/8 to go, and the leader is What a View by 2 lengths. In second position, Smoky Image. Pee Wee Reese, undefeated since his maiden breaker 4 starts ago, running third at the midway point, a long way clear of Grazen Sky. Approaching the 3/8 pole, and What a View bowling along by 2 1/4 lengths from Smoky Image. Pee Wee Reese now being asked to improve. He inches up on the outside to a level second, a long way clear of Grazen Sky. 5/16 to go. What a View, an exactaholic on the Santa Anita turf, has the lead, has controlled the race thus far. He'll swing for home 2 lengths in the front, with Pee Wee Reese moving into second past Smoky Image to the 8th pole in the crystal water, and What a View shaken up leads by 1 1/4 lengths. Pee Wee Reese trying very hard to get to him, but What a View is battling home very strongly on the lead. What a View still in front of Pee Wee Reese. What a View, the only view his rivals have is of his tail. He wins, leading all the way from Pee Wee Reese, Smoky Image and then Grazen Sky.